In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your SuiteDash account and unlock all the advanced features it has to offer, so stick around till the end, because I'll also be revealing some powerful alternatives that might be a better fit for your needs. Upgrading your SuiteDash account is a straightforward process, but if you're new to the platform, it might seem a little overwhelming at first. Let's walk through everything step by step so you can take full advantage of SuiteDash's advanced capabilities. First, let's talk about what happens once you upgrade. SuiteDash is designed to scale with your business. You start with the basics, but when you decide to upgrade, you unlock a range of features that will help automate processes, improve your customer experience, and streamline your entire workflow. Now, to actually upgrade, log into your SuiteDash account and head to your profile settings. Once you're there, click on the Billing tab. From here, you'll see options to upgrade your plan. SuiteDash offers several pricing tiers, so take a look at what features each plan provides to ensure you're selecting the one that aligns with your business needs. Each upgrade will give you access to things like expanded storage, additional clients, and extra branding customization options, which can be a game changer for growing businesses. Next, when you upgrade, you'll notice a boost in automation tools. If you're using the entry-level plan, you're likely doing a lot of tasks manually. But with the higher tiers, you can automate things like client onboarding, invoices, and follow-up emails. This can save you hours every week, and it's one of the major selling points for those serious about scaling their business. But keep in mind that this automation isn't perfect. There are some limitations to how much you can automate, especially with the mid-tier plans. You might find yourself needing to tweak and adjust settings as you go along. The fourth thing you'll unlock with an upgrade is advanced analytics. SuiteDash's reporting tools give you detailed insights into your business performance. With access to these metrics, you can make data-driven decisions to improve your processes. However, I will point out that SuiteDash's analytics dashboard is a bit clunky. It's not as intuitive as some other platforms, which can lead to a bit of a learning curve. Now, let's talk about custom branding. As you upgrade, you can white label SuiteDash to make it look and feel like your own software. You can upload your own logo, change color schemes, and create a completely personalized experience for your clients. But the custom branding options are still somewhat limited when compared to competitors. If you need more flexibility in this area, it might not be enough for you. The fifth thing you get with an upgrade is priority support. This means quicker response times and more dedicated help if you run into issues. While SuiteDash's support team is generally responsive, it's not always the fastest. If you're in a time crunch, having priority support can make a huge difference, but be aware that there's still the possibility of delays. But here's the thing, while SuiteDash has its merits, there are alternatives that might serve your business even better, especially if your goal is a more seamless experience. I'm talking about software like Honeybook or 17 Hats. These platforms offer a similar set of features, but with more user-friendly interfaces and a smoother experience overall. Now, before I go any further, let me tell you that through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial to SuiteDash. That's not all. I've also included links to some fantastic alternatives that might be better suited to your needs, and they offer free trials too. Remember, the goal here is to find the right software that fits your business, whether it's SuiteDash or one of the alternatives I've mentioned. By using the links in the description, you'll get access to the best free trials and exclusive benefits, so you can make a decision that's right for you. Thanks for watching!